That's what mine was like.
All right. We're live. AthleticRobots coming back at ya on a Sunday afternoon. We got 48 Donruss Cellos, number 4. So we are set to go here at 2 p.m. Central Time. And we do have some unpaid teams, so we'll go ahead and address those after we do the starting lineup. But we plan on opening up these here cards, and we'll do a review of the hits at the end. We'll upload the video to YouTube. We got a bunch more breaks today, so definitely keep on with us all day long. We'll combine your shipping for free. We'll send you an invoice for free combined shipping. But yeah, shipping will go out tomorrow. So, I don't know. That's all I got to say about that. So, the unpaid teams right now are the Eagles, Jets, and Panthers. So, I'll go ahead and read the rest of the lineup, and then we'll address those.
All right, Tim's here. We can start.
All right, Tim. You ready for these? Ready for these hits to come out right away out of the back of the pack? Yeah. Jordan Hollowell has the Saints and Steelers. Todd Lewis has the Browns, Packers, Chargers, Pats, Giants, Hawks. Richard Miller has the Bills, Jags, Fins, Bucks, Titans. Adam Alessandri, the Texans, Colts, and Commanders. Tyler Smith is going for the Santa Claus downtown. That's the only thing he's got. He's going for the Santa Claus. Of course, if he does not get the Santa Claus, we refund his shipping. And you never know, we might ship you something anyways for fun because
we might forget to refund.
Because we might forget to, what it is we might forget to not print your shipping label.
Well, that's true. You get refunded anyway just because we realized, whoops.
Yeah, oops, I printed the shipping label anyway, so I might as well ship something. Emily Martinez has the Niners for the lowest price they've ever gone for, so we should definitely pull a Brock Purdy auto in this break. Best of luck to you. Jordan Doster, Vikes. Robert Thompson, Rams. Clayton Daniel, Chiefs. Tim Etheridge, Lions. Of course, if he does not get... Downtowns and Cellos, yes, Tim. Jarrett Marsh, Broncos. Gordon Pang, Cowboys. Tyler Smith, Bengals. Larry Wolf, Da Bears. Jordan Doster, Ravens. Mark Lux, Falcons. Jonathan Hembry, Cardinals. That's the starting lineup.
Jordan, there's an Adrian Peterson downtown in here.
Yeah,
Adrian Peterson is downtown.
Let's do this. Hey, Jordan, what are the Vikings downtowns in this set? Is it AD and Randy Moss? Or does JJ have one? Let's do this, Tim. Yeah. Oh, yeah, we got some unpaid teams. Forgot about that. Let's do the unpaid teams real quick. We did lose money on this one anyways, so we should hopefully look to sell these. All right, we got the Eagles for $25, the Jets for $35, and the Panthers for $12.
The Jets for $35.
Yeah.
And
the Panthers for $12. I assume Trippy Eyes is going to pay. Jessica Lee Montgomery is a repeat buyer, but she has not paid yet, so the team is unpaid and available currently.
Tim wants them Panthers.
Get him, Tim!
Oh, Jordan, just a little late.
Who was the first?
On my phone it says Tim Hutchins, but
well,
we've had it happen before. We check afterwards and it switches.
Let me see. Let me verify who says it. Okay.
Oh, he said Panthers before I even put in the price.
Yeah, Tim Hutchins. Tim Hutchins. All right, but you got to pay shipping too, Tim.
Oh, Jordan, you got that Ray Lewis downtown?
Jordan conceded.
Nice.
That was nice of you, Jordan. All right. So Tim, or wait, yeah, there we go. 16. Yeah, that's fine. That'll work. All right. Now, who was the other ones? Jets and Eagles. Mark Takahashi paid. So Mark Takahashi has the Raiders as well. So we do not have payment for the Jets or the Eagles. So reasonable offers are considered. Yeah. How you like that, Jordan? PayPal? I don't have a link, but if you type in Athletic Robots, you should be able to find it. Otherwise, TJ might type it into the comments here. I don't know. Probably. It's my email address. There it goes, Tim. All right. Tim's in the game now. He's got the Panthers. You're going to look for Jets? What's that mean? You want the Jets? What was Jets' price?
35.
35, Jordan. Yes, Ryan, Eagles are available.
Eagles are 25.
25.
Or a very, very reasonable offer.
Yeah. Can always pay $1 million if you feel like
That's true.
I mean, we wouldn't stop that. I guess I really don't mind keeping the Jets, but I don't collect the Eagles so much. I don't know, Jalen Hurts would be nice, I suppose. Take the Eagles, Ryan? Sweet. All right, thank you very much. Let me make sure I can cancel them real quick. Yep. All right, it's all you. If you're not in the break, Ryan, are you... I can't remember if you're in the break or not, but if not, include shipping as well, please. The PayPal is right up there in the comments if you scroll up, Ryan. If you search Athletic Robots on PayPal, you should be able to find me, Tim. But otherwise, the direct PayPal address is in the comments. Here. Who won? Jordan, do you want the Jets? Or a reasonable offer?
Jets are last team. Last team available.
I'm going to go ahead and get started. If we pull anything good for the Jets, of course, we'll keep them. That's fine. Don't. All right. I don't know. You tell me. They went for 35, so you tell me. And if it's reasonable, then we'll take it. How you like that? Shipping, give me $4, Ryan, please. Excuse me. 23, what? 23 on dang. Might as well, huh? Give me 25, Jordan. I mean, that's reasonable. But yeah, Tim Hutchins just sent. I can't, hold on, Tim. It's on my phone, which I'm using for the camera. But it made the sound, so.
So, Jordan.
All right, Jordan. All right.
Still listening.
Doster. Let me make sure I can cancel the Jets. Oh, hold on, Jordan. Sneaky Jets paid right at the last second. I cannot cancel their order. Damn, he's he's probably paying me. Oh, snap. I can't. It won't let me cancel it because they like paid and it's processing or whatever. Sorry about that. I can't stand that when people do that, but whatevs. I can't control it. Derek Stingley Jr., Chris Olave, he was Saints, Kyler Gordon, Aiden Hutchinson Portrait, Blues, David Bakhtari, Kadarius Toney, Wandale Robinson, Derwin James Jr. Drunk bidding. All good. Hey, thank you, though, Jordan, for checking in on those unpaid teams because we've been getting destroyed here lately. Like the past couple weekends, we've just been tanking. So, even if the teams did pay, it's like pretty brutal right now. So, yeah. Yeah, back cards are out. Oh, yeah, right. I'd have to become a southpaw for that. I'd have to get like some card opening training for that, Tim. Here they go to card opening school or something for that. Trayvon Walker, Jelani Woods, Easy E, Barry Sanders Dominators, Blues, Cody Pay, Devontae Smith, Sam Williams, and Tom Brady. There we go with the GOAT. I didn't even see this one. This is a back card, and I didn't even see it coming out, so. We have pulled a downtown out of Cello's already, so I don't know if we'll pull another one, because you're supposed to get one per case, I think it says. And I think these are all from the same case, but I don't know, maybe they aren't. Kingsley Enagbare, Kenyon Green, Traylon Burks, Aaron Jones, Blues, Robert Woods, Harrison Smith, Tyler Linderbaum, yeah, represent Hawkeyes, Jock. There goes somebody's PayPal payment. Jordan Davis, Carson Strong, Zamir White, Michael Parsons, Gridiron Kings, Blues, J.J. Watt, Mac Jones, Velus Jones Jr., Round out. Just paid for Eagles, thank you, Ryan. Jeremy Rucker, Keontae Ingram, Drake London, there we go, Falcons. Jalen Hurts Elite. Caleb Chasen, Blues, Jalen Hurts. N'Kobe Dean, John Elway. God, blasted, cotton-headed Oh, these are tough. I'm about to get my scissors out. I hate these things. Mother bitch, son of shit. Alright, there we go. Just a little quick Tourette's outburst. It's all good. Roger McCreary, George Pickens, Nick Benito. Got a Jamar Chase Action All-Pros. Blues. George Kittle, June Phillips, Snoop Dogg Connor, Michael Vick. Last card was first there. We seen that last card. I didn't really see it, but it was shown. Andrew Booth Jr., Channing Tindall, Bo Melton, Trayvon Walker, Elite, Blues, Taylor Lewan, Thermal Thurman, Jermaine Johnson, Certain. Yeah, I don't know when Macy's supposed to be home, but have you talked to her at all?
No.
I guess Corbin was going to meet his dad, where he hasn't seen him since he was 10. And I guess he lives in Des Moines or whatever. And so they went to his place. And after about an hour, Macy says that his dad brought him over to meet his uncle. Jameson Williams, Arnold Ebiketie, Sky Moore, Champus here, Van Jefferson, Blues, Jeff Okuda, C.D. Lamb, Isaiah Spiller, Kyle Pitts. And his uncle was showing him a bunch of guns. And so he was holding them all and going, ooh, ah, look at all these guns. Well, I guess after he left, his dad told him that his uncle was a felon. And so then he went over to his aunt's house, and his aunt was telling him that his uncle's been in and out of prison and shouldn't even have guns. And what just happened is he just put his fingerprints all over a bunch of guns that some felon shouldn't have.
Oh, boy.
So he's hot. He is pissed and stuff. So Martin Emerson, Kyle Hamilton, Brandon Smith, Hassan Haskins, the rookies, Quentin Nelson Blues, Patrick Queen, Alante Taylor, and Drew Brees. He's most upset because his dad didn't tell him. Yeah. He just took him over there. It is pretty crazy. Nice. I don't know. It depends on. Yeah, I would also not like that.
Probably not.
But I was telling Macy, sounds like a lesson has been learned the hard way. Never touch anybody else's guns. Just don't touch them for sure. Trey McBride, Kobe Bryant, Kayvon Thibodeau, Dan Hampton, throwback, Blues, Akeem Hicks, Clinton Portis, Malik Willis, Hunter Renfrow. And I was saying, well, some felons can get permission to have guns. And she said, no, he's not one of those because he's in and out of prison and not supposed to. So I was like, oh, shit. Wow. Chris Oladukin, Danny Gray, Majai Sanders, Road to the Super Bowl, Matt Stafford, Blues, Walter Jones, Michael Carter, George Karlaftis, Brian Burns. There's a Panther for you. Finally, Tim. I don't even know if we have any other ones. Yeah, it's the first one. You're on the board. You're getting at least one card. Thanks for the prison story, but I need you to concentrate on the Panthers SSP, please. True. Panthers SSP would be way better than Prison Stories, that's for sure. Tyler Beatty, Garrett Wilson, there you go, Jets. Logan Hall, DeAndre Swift, Power Plus, Blues, MVS. Gus Edwards, Christian Watson, there you go, Pack, Joey Bosa. Rare. Trying to think of who the biggest Panthers hit would be. Would it be Christian McCaffrey?
Is he on the Panthers still on this?
I think so. Actually, I don't know. I can't find it. All right. Box number 2. Right, yeah. I know that's a thing, Tim. Some people with felonies can get their gun privileges back. So that's why I said that to her, but she was, I guess they were talking about that with their aunt, which is, I guess, this guy's sister. And he's just straight up not supposed to have any. So, I don't know. James Cook, Jaquan Brisker, Bailey Zappi, Chris Godwin, Power Plus. Blues, Van Jefferson, Miles Sanders, Romeo Dobbs, Matt Ryan. What's going to happen to Matt Ryan? Didn't he get released?
Yeah.
Mother hose. Some of these open alright, but when you get one that won't open, it like makes you want to jump off the Wopsy. Which now would be dangerous because they have rocks all around the bridge now. Oh, what the hell? Didn't do those. D'Angelo Malone, Tyler Algier, Matt Golden Corral, another Panther. Yeah! Fans of the game, Mark Wahlberg. Oh, what? Marky Mark. There you go, Pats. We got some Blues. Ryan Tannehill, Montez Sweat, John Mechie, Charles Jacobs. Oh, yeah. Our first heady hit. Mark Wahlberg. Marky Mark in the fresh bunch. Coming for ya. Oh, we got a Green Velocity Optic preview. Brace yourself. You know you've been waiting for that one now. Devontae White, Travis Jones, Pierre Strong Jr., and boom! Terrell Bernard for the Bills Mafia. Green Velocity Optic preview, not numbered. Zach Martin, Action All Pros. Blues, Nick Bosa, Corey Davis, Devin Lloyd, Marquez Callaway. All right. Who's next? Boyer Muffy, Tarion Davis Price, Christian Harris, Ken Anderson throwback, Blues Trey Lance, Rashad Bateman, Jerome Ford, Jake Matthews. Mother hell. How many breakers use scissors? Probably not very many. Damian Pierce, Terrell Bernard, Trent McDuffie, Mahomes highlights, Blues, Khalil Mack, Elijah Vera Tucker, Desmond Ritter, Darren Waller. Excuse me. Dexterity. Eagle Lions, Aiden Hutchinson, David Ajabo, Brian Robinson Jr., Peyton Manning Legends, Blues, Brandon Cooks, J.T. Favre, Daxton Hill, Derek Brown, another Panther. You can do it. Okay. Velas Jones Jr., Nicobe Dean, Snoop Dogg Connor, Kenneth Walker Portrait. There we go, Hawks. Oh, wow. Blues, Nico Collins, Clinton Portis, Lewis Sean, Leonard Fournette. TJ calls him Lenny. Does he go by Lenny?
Yeah, well, I think a lot of people call him Lenny. He calls himself Lenny.
Oh, he should
Said playoff Lenny, Super Bowl Lenny,
Oh,
Pro Bowl Lenny,
okay. So
whatever the occasion is, Lenny.
yeah, he must want his cards to say Leonard. Yeah, Elway Crunch sold for $31. Yeah, Tim. What about it? Did they return it? Malik Willis, George Karlaftis, Christian Watson, Russell Wilson Dominators, Blues, Aaron Rodgers, Michael Carter, Alec Pierce, Denzel Ward. They haven't paid yet. That's rough. I sold some cards recently, and somebody hasn't paid yet for one. I don't know what it is.
Jerome Ford auto.
yeah. I sold a Jerome Ford auto.
It was like $1.14 too.
Damn it!
They're not paying for it.
They can't afford that $1.14. That's tough. Damn. They send out invoices and everything. Hassan Haskins, Rashad White, Kyer Elam, Jamar Chase, a throwback. Blues, DeForest Buckner, Rashawn Gary, Cam Taylor Britt, Tyreek. Evan Neal, Quay Walker, Breece Hall, Kenny Pickett, Rookie Gridiron Kings, Blues, Reggie Wayne, Zach Melfson, Brock Purdy, Blue, booyah! Woo! There you go, Niners. That just made your whole entire break. Sam Hubbard. So the Niners went for like $22, in case anybody wanted to know, and I'm pretty sure this card right here is worth more than that. Congratulations. We got 13 viewers. That's pretty good. TJ and I were concerned because we lost pretty good money on this one, and it's our earliest break. So we're trying to
It seems like probably that's just what it is.
Yeah. The viewership is good, but maybe the bidding was not being done by the people watching. Federian Mathis, Sauce Gardner, Greg Dulcich, Scary Terry Elite, Blues, Isaiah Simmons, Miles Sanders, Jalen Tolbert, Nick Chubb. Is that right? The solution for me not showing the back card is the scissors. That's awesome. See, I didn't even know that. But, of course, these will be the only ones I use scissors on because all the other ones actually open up just fine. But interesting. That's potentially magical. I don't know. I might consider that for the, I don't know, something else. But the mosaic cellos seem to open up just fine. Khalil Shakur, Kenny Pickett, go Steelers. Jahan Dotson, Trey McBride, the rookies. Blues, Caleb Farley, Xavier Howard, DeMarvin Leal, Bradley Chubb. Keep the scissors. Aiden Hutchinson blue, huh, Tim? Yeah. All right, now we got Tim Etheridge and Tim Hutchins. All right, you guys are, that hurts. One of you guys needs to be Timothy or Timmy, Timbo. TJ, you're not going to use these, are you?
No.
I'll just put them over here just in case. But God, that was getting annoying. Let me refresh the group page real quick, make sure everybody's got permissions to discuss the break positively. Oh, we got one. Jordan Hollowell. What's up, man? What's up, Jordan? Oh, shit. Now we got two Jordans. Oh, no. Hey, one's Jordan with an A and one's Jordan with an O. I think. Yeah. I don't know. All right. Did anybody pay? Oh, yeah, we sold all the teams.
Yeah.
All right.
Jets did confirmed pay.
That sucks. I wanted to sell them there, Jordan.
Let's do it. Jordan Dosser is the official Jord A.N. The official.
Oh, is he? So they're both A&s.
Oh, are they?
Yeah.
Well, Keontae Ingram, Drake London. There you go, Falcons. Roger McCreary. Isaiah Spiller, Portrait. Blue, Travis Etienne, Devonta Smith, David Ajabo. And Tim Patrick. Two official, double the official. Can call you Gordo, long-standing nickname. All right, so there's the official Jordan, and then there's Gordo.
All right. That's manageable. Except I'll forget that tomorrow.
George Pickens, Nick Benito, Trey McBride, Damian Pierce, the rookies. Blue, Brandon Ayuk, Myles Gaskin, Brian Robinson, and Minka. Kobe Bryant, Kayvon Thibodeau, Chris Oladukin, Justin Herbert Retro, Blue, Cole Kmet, Chase Young, Derek Stingley, Quan Thornhill. Wait, Jordan, they call you the same nickname too? Really?
Are you guys related? Secretly? Possibly?
Brother from another mother.
From another mother.
Kenneth Walker, you go Seahawks. Skylar Thompson, David Bell, Joey B, Gridiron Kings. Blue, Kevin Byard, Chase Young, Jelani Woods, and Patrick Mahomes. There you go, Chiefs. All right, so we got Jordan squared,
Tim squared.
Tim squared, Gordo squared.
This is more confusing.
I guess
Damn it.
Gordo squared and Jordan squared equals Gordo squared.
Think of math equation. This hurts.
Plus Tim squared equals craziness.
Yeah.
It took a while, but we figured it out.
One of you guys is Timmy.
Cameron Thomas, Kyron Williams, Sam Howell, Deontay Johnson Elite Series, Blue Tyler Lockett, Elijah Moore, Eazy-E, and AJ Terrell. Lewis Seen, Alec Pierce, Cam Taylor-Britt, Justin Fields Dominators, Blue, Jared Goff, T. Higgins, Kingsley Enagbare, and Bo Jackson. Danny Gray, Majai Sanders, Tyler Beatty, George Pickens Elite Series, Blue Jordan Brooks, Eric Kendricks, Chris Olave, there you go, Saints, Sam Darnold. Go Jets, Garrett Wilson, Logan Hall, Tyquan Thornton, Champ is here, Taylor Rapp, Blue Marvin Jones, Devonta Smith, Kyler Gordon, and Gerald Everett.
Who the fuck is Taylor Rapp?
A safety for the Rams. I don't even know if he still plays for the Rams. Numbered in Cellos? I'm pretty sure you can get a numbered press proofs out of Cellos. But, I'm looking here. Hold on. Maybe not. I don't think so, actually. You can get Downtowns and the, what was the other? The Green Velocity preview. Drake Jackson, Calvin Austin, Perion Winfrey, Joe Montana Dominators, Blue Matthew Stafford, Myles Gaskin, Trayvon Walker, Pat Freiermuth.
You can get the numbered press fruits out of blasters, that's for sure. Because we got out of 50 Mahomes gold.
True. Romeo Dobbs, Devin Lloyd, John Mechie, Rondé Barber Retro, Warren Moon Blue, Tony Pollard, Kenyon Green, and Alvin Kamara. There we go. There's a Brock Purdy. Another one for you, Niners. Jalen Tolbert, DeMarvin Leal, Road to the Super Bowl, Deebo Samuel, Blue, Rondale Moore, Stephon Diggs, Traylon Burks, Carson Palmer. Wait, are you... Both of these Jordans are Ravens fans with season tickets holders?
What?
What's going on? What? They just put their seats into the... What? What?
You guys are brothers from mother mother. I bet you sit right next to each other.
Jerome Ford, Desmond Ritter, Daxton Hill. Got a Lenny Power Plus. Blue, James Robinson, Dallas Goedert, Andrew Booth, and Jerry Jeudy. On to the last box. 12 more cellos to go. Wandale Robinson, Sam Williams, Tyler Linderbaum, Jahan Dotson Portrait. Here you go, Commanders. Blue, Jalen Ramsey, Raekwon Davis, Channing Tindall, TJ Watt. You got a Ray Lewis Kaboom from a Fat Pack, Tim? Wow. I don't even think we pulled a Kaboom in any of the blasters.
I don't think so.
We got
those, explosions or whatever they were, the other
explosive or explosion. We got like at least one of those. We didn't hit a Kaboom.
We didn't open too much absolute, but thank God.
Sure. Yeah, that was... Oh, I should have opted in for base on that one. Oh, God. Jermaine Johnson, Isaiah Spiller, Alante Taylor, Deebo Samuel, Action All Pros, Blue, Darnell Mooney, Michael Gallup, Bo Melton, and L'Jarius Sneed. Auctions for the next one, that'll be a sealed case of Donruss Basketball 2022. Blasters. Don't miss that. Velus Jones, Nakobe Dean, Snoop Connor, Aaron Rodgers Retro, Blue, Jair Alexander, Harrison Smith, Jameson Williams, go Lions, Robbie Anderson. Oh, that was last year? There wasn't Kabooms in this year's Fatties? Makes sense.
I don't think we opened any absolute fat packs.
Not that I can remember. D'Angelo Malone, Tyler Algier, Matt Corral, Gridiron Kings Dan Marino, Blue DK Metcalf, Devin McCourty, Kyle Hamilton, and Deion Jones. Devontae Wyatt, Travis Jones, Pierre Strong, Reggie Wayne, Legends Series, Blue, TJ Hawkinson, Jamar Chase, Brandon Smith, Trevon Morig. My comment box was slid over to emojis. What? I'll stop replying, everyone. Huh. I notice any of that tomfoolery. Got an Aaron Donald Kaboom from a break too, Tim. Wow. You have more Kabooms than I've ever seen. Evan Neal, Quay Walker, Brees Hall, Matthew Stafford Dominators, blue Christian Kirksey, Zeke, Jordan Davis, and Jameis Winston. All right, we got 6 to go. Got Malik Willis, George Karlaftis, Christian Watson, go Packers. Jalen Tolbert Elite Series, blue LaVisca, Eli Manning, Arnold Ebiketie, and Levante David. Hit your first kaboom this year, Olave PSA 10. Oh, yeah.
Phew.
That's nice. Him and Carr, I feel like, are going to have a good connection.
Yeah. But the Saints quarterbacks last year didn't do bad combined.
That's true. Hassan Haskins, Rashad White, Kyer Elam, franchise feature Elijah Moore, blue Sony Michel, Tua, Sky Moore, and Deontay Johnson. 50 fat packs at Big Lots. Bought one that felt fatter than the others, and it had the kaboom. There you go. There you go.
That's skills.
He had the airport X-ray machine. He could see it. James Cook, Jaquan Brisker, Bailey Zappi. Oh! Falcons! Desmond Ridder downtown! That's Mark Lux!
That's the second Desmond Ridder downtown that he's got.
Really?
I'm sure.
Really?
That is our second downtown out of fat packs. You're only supposed to get one.
Wow, that snuck up.
Yeah, that was tucked in there.
There we go, Falcons. Woo!
That wasn't at the end. That was like in the middle.
Yeah, I was in the middle. Turned around. I thought it was just going to be one of the rookies that was turned around. Like this one is.
Yeah.
There we go.
Nice.
Yeah, centering's a little off. But it's a downtown.
Would it be shiny?
The rookie Sky Moore. Blue Christian Fulton, Jonathan Allen, Martin Emerson, and Creed Humphrey. Fedarian Mathis, Sauce Gardner, your Jets, Greg Dulcich, Sean Alexander Retro, Blue Zach Ertz, Gabriel Davis, Carson Strong, and Evan McPherson. All right, 2 more. Why not just throw us another downtown? Got Khalil Shakir, Kenny Pickett, Steelers. There goes those Donruss basketball auctions ending now. 20 blasters, sealed case.
Free command shipping.
Jahan Dotson, franchise feature Amon-Ra. Blue T-Law. Jalen Rieger, Zamir White, Cortland Sutton. All right. All righty. Last cello. Show me the gold. Got Boye Mathai, Terrion Davis Price, Christian Harris, Justin Herbert Elite Series, Blue Von Miller, Patrick Queen, Jeremy Ruckert, and Cameron Hayward. To end it.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Let's recap the hits. It's a pretty spicy Cello break, I'd say.
Definitely.
We got some base hits. We got Kenny Pickett, Sauce Gardner, Christian Watson, Brock Purdy, Garrett Wilson, Kenneth Walker, Drake London, Kenny Pickett, Sauce Gardner, Kenny Pickett, Gridiron Kings, Aiden Hutchinson, Garrett Wilson, Drake London, and Chris Olave. Then we got the Blues. Oh yeah, Blues and Portraits. Jameson Williams, Chris Olave, Pat Mahomes, Christian Watson, and Tom Brady. And the Portraits, Aiden Hutchinson, Kenneth Walker, and Jahan Dotson. And of course, our hits of the break, plural. Mark Wahlberg, Fans of the Game for the Pats. Terrell Bernard, Green Velocity Optic Preview. Brock Purdy Blue, Press Proof. And the Desmond Ritter Downtown.
Oh, yeah.
Number 2 at Athletic Robots.
Oh, wow.
I believe both for Mark Lux. It's paying off picking up them Falcons almost every time.
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. We will be back at 3:30 with the sealed case of Donruss basketball. So we'll see you.